A car can last for decades and clock hundreds of thousands of miles. But a car's upholstery? Not so much. Cloth seats can stain and look dated, while leather seats can stretch and even crack after years of wear and tear, along with extended sun exposure. Seats can also absorb smells and lose their cushy bounce over time. There are many products available to choose best leather seat covers, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. EKR Custom Fit Full Set Car Seat Covers. These leatherette car seat covers from EKR look and feel almost like they came with the car from the factory. They offer 4-layer construction with thick foam padding and a water-resistant design. EKR sells the custom seat covers for specific vehicles, so you'll need to make sure you're buying the right model. The model-specific design also means that installation can be a little more difficult as the fit is snug. Some customers also report that the included directions are useless and note that the company's instructional video is the way to go. The EKR seat covers are great for people with pets as the water-resistant construction helps prevent accidents and muddy paws from ruining your upholstery. Of course, quality comes at a price, and the EKR covers are no exception. They're one of the more expensive options on sale. Number 2. Pick Auto Mesh and Leather Universal Fit Car Seat Covers. Custom fit seat covers are nice, but sometimes you just need something to protect your seats. When protection is your goal and you're not hung up on high-end design, the Pick Auto Mesh seat covers should be on your radar. They come in a full car seat and offer a good fit despite being universal. They come in a variety of colors, including several two-tone options, and Pick sells high and low back variants. The covers fit folding rear seats, and Pick says they're designed to work with heated seats. Most buyers report having an easy time with installation, and Pick offers an instructional video that makes the process easy. That said, you get what you pay for, and some buyers report that the Pick covers arrive damaged out of the box. You can exchange them if yours show up with damage, but that's an annoying step to take for brand new seat covers. Number 3. Oasis Auto OS007 Seat Covers. These automotive seat covers from Oasis Auto are made of leatherette material, and they're available in several colors including tan, black, and gray to match the inside of your car, SUV, or truck. They feature a universal design and fit most seats, such as 4-door sedans, 2-door coupes, and pickup trucks. These covers go over the entire seat and are water-resistant, scratch-resistant, and built to last. We like that these covers are sturdy and stay put when you move in and out of your vehicle, and the instructions are easy to follow. They are also padded and cushioned for comfort and have an attractive design that stands out. Unfortunately, the installation process can be a little time-consuming, depending on the type of vehicle you have, and it may require another set of hands. Also, lighter colors may transfer onto dark clothing, but it's not permanent. Number 4. Luckyman Club Set of Covers. This set of 5 seat covers from the Luckyman Club is designed to fit sedans, SUVs, and trucks. They are made of wear-resistant and waterproof PVC leather for durability, and the covers provide a secure fit that won't damage the upholstery underneath. They are compatible with airbags and don't encumber your seat belts for safety. They also have pockets for storage, stay firmly in place, and cover areas on seats that experience the most wear and tear. One drawback is that the headrest covers may be a little big or loose on some types of seats. While they are a universal fit, they don't fit all vehicles perfectly, so make sure to check the measurements before making a purchase. In addition, the back seat covers tend to be more challenging to install. Number 5. Oasis Auto OS009 Leather Car Seat Cover. When you want to make your car's interior look like a budget Bentley, the Oasis OS009 might be your ticket. No, they aren't anywhere near as nice as the hides used at the factory and crew, but the Oasis covers are more than worth their price tag. The company offers several color options for the covers, including a cool navy blue and burgundy, to help you act on your late 1970s automotive dreams. Oasis backs its covers with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's little risk of you not getting the product you want. That's good news for some buyers, as a handful of reviews state that the covers arrived defective or that they did not fit some vehicles.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.